Hey everybody, we are at Epcot tonight and we're doing something that is definitely overdue. We're finally checking out Luminous, which is the brand new fireworks show that debuted last month. Like I said, we haven't seen it yet, so we're gonna check it out tonight and of course share our thoughts. Just a month late, but it's okay.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see it. We've heard some mixed reviews, but of course we'll be honest with you guys and let you know what we think about it.
And at just about an hour before park closed, not a soul in line at Spaceship Earth. Rainbow Connections playing as we're walking through World Celebration Garden here. The pillars sync with the show. So right now it's Rainbow Connection. These will all get synced up, which is pretty cool. So we stopped in the Creation shop quick just to see if they had anything specific for Luminous. And for $55, they had this hoodie with the Luminous logo on the front. There's World Showcase with all the fireworks on the back. So we found a few more things. They have a Christmas ornament for $16.99. For $19.99, they have a reusable tote bag. And for $14.99, they have a magnet. And for $35, they have a Luminous Symphony of Us t-shirt. And then that same design is on the back. I kind of like that in the middle. It kind of looks like a hidden Mickey slash like a hidden heart.
For $24.99, they have a new Epcot mug, which is really cute. It has Ratatouille, Test Track, Soarin', Figment. They even added Journey of Water on there.
That's not like the Been There series from Starbucks, is it? Oh, it's a Starbucks mug.
It is, but I think I don't know, it's just the Epcot one.
And for $26.99, they still have some of the Walt Disney on the toilet Christmas ornaments. And when we were here the other day for Festival of the Arts, they had all of the purple lug bags for the festival. Those have since been replaced with just a bunch of Disney Loungeflies. So it looks like they're already out of those lug bags. They go quick. So the one thing that I don't know yet, because we haven't seen this show, is where the best place to watch this particular show from is. We usually go like right at the entrance to World Showcase in between Disney Traders and whatever the store is on the other side, like right in the middle there is usually good. But tonight I think we're actually going to try and get on the second level of the gift shop over in Japan. That's a great spot to watch fireworks from for all the other shows, so I'm assuming it's going to be just as good for this one too. And the last time we were here, we didn't get to see any of the sidewalk chalk art. Some of it's kind of washed away because, as you can tell by the floor, it was raining a little bit earlier. But we're going to take a walk and see what some of these look like this year. These are always some of our favorite things.
Aww.
Look at this one. There's a cat and a little mouse, all curled up, taking a nice little nap. Look at this one. This is like a Funko Pop version of Minnie Mouse painting. That's really neat. There's a tie-dye Mickey over here. Passing by the American Gardens Theater. This is probably a good place to watch them too, because this show isn't as like screen focused, or I don't even know if there's screens at all in Luminous, like how there was for Harmonious, where like in certain spots you wouldn't be able to see anything. But it's probably easier to watch it from more places around World Showcase. So we made it over to the Japan Pavilion, and it looks like there's a decent amount of room up above Mitsukoshi. We're going up on that balcony right over there. So here's the entrance to Mitsukoshi. The staircase is just to the right of that. So if you come back over here, take these stairs up, that'll lead you to the balcony where we're gonna watch the fireworks from. They sell a Toad here.
He's so cute.
Do they not know that that's a competitor? And they're gonna have Toad in the theme park?
He's gonna be right down the road.
Just down the road from here.
Next year.
I have a feeling all these Toads, they're not gonna be here for too much longer. They have all the Shiba Inu merchandise you can ever possibly want over here in Mitsukoshi.
This is so cool. I've never seen like a pop like that. It's soy sauce.
Literally soy sauce.
With chopsticks.
They make pops of everything these days. If you're ever here while it's raining and you don't want like a generic Disney umbrella, they have a whole bunch of different colored umbrellas here. So the time is 8:35 and it's already pretty crowded up here. We have like a slightly obstructed view with these trees because we can't get any further to the right because there's all people there, and it's very empty tonight. So if you're trying to do this on a busy night, I would say get up here probably an hour ahead of time.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great Symphony of Us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone. And for a moment, we are playing alone. When somebody left the book, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, but we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony.
Okay, so we just finished watching Luminous, Symphony of Us for the very first time. I'll let you go first. What did you think?
I thought it was okay. I thought it wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't bad. I think I did like it more than the last one, which
Harmonious.
was Harmonious. I like that they incorporated like the fountains in there. It kind of gave it like World of Color vibes.
Yeah.
And I like that there was not just IP songs in it. Like they had an original song, which was pretty good. I liked the choices of IP songs. Some of them were weird, but I liked that they had Tarzan in it. That was
cool.
kind of cool.
Yep.
But yeah, I'd still say that Happily Ever After and Fantasmic will always be at the top for me, and so this is like my least favorite nighttime show. Like I said, I did like it more than the last one, but it's still not amazing in my opinion.
Yeah, I also liked it better than Harmonious, but I absolutely hated Harmonious. So they could have rolled out like a fireworks show with no music at all, and I still would have liked it better than Harmonious. That's how much I didn't like that fireworks show. It's not a perfect show by any means. I do think it's a step up from Harmonious. Say Harmonious again. Take a shot every time I say Harmonious. But again, it's a step above. Is it as good as Illuminations was? Not in my opinion. I absolutely love that show.
Yeah.
I actually even like Epcot Forever better than this show.
Yeah.
And I know that's a show that was just kind of here for like an interim fill-in show. So it's really hard to judge something, especially like a brand new nighttime show when you only watch it once.
Yeah.
So I definitely need to come back and watch the show a few more times before I can have like a well-rounded opinion of it. But at first glance, it was okay.
Yeah.
I think it's very forgettable. Like, it's not a show that you're gonna leave here and like go back home after your vacation and be like, oh my gosh, you remember that fireworks show at Epcot?
Yeah.
I think a lot of it from like a music standpoint is pretty boring. I think the whole middle piece where they talk about death is like, what on earth is that about?
Yeah.
Like, that was...
You don't come to Disney World to think about that stuff.
No.
People come here to like escape real life.
Yeah, and it was just really awkward. Like, it got really quiet where we were, and nobody said anything, and it was just very, very strange. So I don't know.
It brought the mood down.
Yeah, I would love to know like the decision that went into bringing death into a Disney World nighttime fireworks show. But like Alex said, some of the songs that were in it were good. I actually really liked the original song for this fireworks show.
Yeah, it was
liked
decent.
it a lot. That gave me Illuminations vibes. Like that song and the message behind it. We are one, we're all in this together type of thing. That was very Illuminations-esque. Not as good, but on the same order of like a message. So, like I said, I think we need to come back and watch this show a few more times before we have like a true, well-rounded opinion of this. But at first glance, it's okay. Like I said, I think it's forgettable. It's better than Harmonious, but we'll see if we like it more as time passes.
Yeah, and I want to hear what everybody thinks down below, because I know there's definitely mixed reviews, and some people are like hardcore Epcot, like
me,
like Matt, and love Illuminations and like classic Epcot, but then some people do really like the new stuff. So I'm interested to hear like what you guys think. Did you like this? Did you like Harmonious? Or are you like Illuminations like Matt? So I'm interested to hear, so leave a comment down below, let us know.
And with that, that's going to do it for our night here at Epcot to check out Luminous for the first time. Like Alex said, let us know what your thoughts are of this show, if you've seen it in person or if you've just seen it online. We're curious what you guys think about it. If you enjoyed coming along with us tonight and enjoyed our review and the show, make sure you give the video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel down below so you don't miss out on all of our future Disney videos to come. And with that being said, we'll see you guys real soon. Psych, the video's not over yet. I thought of one more thing that I thought was odd as we're walking back to the car, and that's in the beginning of the show when they say hello and welcome in the language of all the different countries of World Showcase, and the fireworks shoot off from that country, they don't line up. So they'll say like bienvenidos, and the fireworks do not come from the proper country. So that's just another thing that I found odd too. It's like, why would they not be lined up? But whatever, maybe I'm nitpicking. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon.